Aceh Jaya is one of the districts in Aceh province, Indonesia. Aceh Jaya region is part of the west coast, from the island of Sumatra, which stretches from west to east, is a regional waters coastal conservation area and small islands. Some people know this area only has the beauty of the beach. But this area is already clean with lots of natural resources. I was directed to the highlands of the mountains by going along the river like the Amazon basin. But this is Gunung Raya. Travel ALUE MINYAK SAPI. Located in Raya district, this is Aceh Jaya with all its beautiful natural resources.